Wow! Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First, we're opening colors. Stay with us. Yes, pale pink color. Pale pink color. And the next one is baby blue color. Baby blue color. The next one is lavender color. So many colors. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Wow! The next one is rose big color. Rose big color. And the next one is emerald green color. Emerald green color. Now we open the color of Persian blue. Persian blue. Kids, the next one is warm gray color. And the next one is pale blue light color. Wow, so many colors. The next one is yellow green color. Black color. The next one is mint blue color. Kids, now we open the color of deep olive green. And the next one is, yes, geranium color. Now we open the color of forest green color. And the next one is vivid purple color. Kids, the next one is cream color. Vivid green color. The next one is coral red color. Now we open the color of pastel pink color. And the next one is raw silk color. So many colors. Cool gray color. Light violet color. Yes, yellow color. Wow. And the last one is scarlet color. Now we're writing alphabets A to Z. Wow. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D. The next one is E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And the next one is O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Now start writing alphabets A. Kids, first we're using the color of rose big color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A. And the next one is B. C. Now we're writing D. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for got. And the next one is H. H for hand. I, J, K, L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose, and for nest. The next one is O. So kids, now we're using the color of baby blue color and writing the alphabet of O. O for orange. P, Q for queen. R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.